Hey, what's up, everybody? So today the market is down again, guys, and like my guys, my portfolio is down. I think all over the last couple months, over 20 something $1,000, and I want to just be real transparent with you. Possibly even down, $30,000, and a lot of my companies are, just in the value stocks, and just yeah, I'm not. I don't really invest in risky companies, and so I'm investing relatively safe. But how do I feel? I want to be honest with you. I think I feel it doesn't feel good to lose so much money. First of all, I've covered my channel that it's taken me a long time to build a little bit of my portfolio, just because I've struggled through a lot of my life. But guys, this is the time, and I don't think there's really a better time to really make big moves. And I know this is scary. I know right now may not be the time. A lot of people are saying sometimes the best thing to do is not to do anything. But in this case, where the market is just insane, like it's just dropping like crazy, right? At some point, as it drops more and more, your investment is going to become much more safe. Okay, so one of the things I've learned about investing is as the stock drops even more, no matter how crazy it drops, the more it drops, the safer it gets. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be talking about what I'm doing in my portfolio, some stocks I'm looking at, and essentially what I'm going to be doing really just soon, probably even today. Okay, so first things first, let's take a look at some of the companies. Okay, so Roblox stock is down. Let's see, is down 37%, 37.5%. So that is insane, guys. This is a stock that Nancy Pelosi bet big on. So right now, I do think it's a great time to get into Roblox. If you take a look at Roblox options, yes, you can buy Leap options, you can buy shares, but I would simply just sell puts. Okay, so if you sell a put at $60 mark, you're collecting $1,500 off a max loss of $4,000. That means, guys, Roblox has to drop another 30%. Okay, I don't think Roblox is going to drop another 30%, and that's when you start realizing a loss. Okay, so Roblox is one I definitely want to add to my portfolio. Let's take a look at Palantir. Okay, so Palantir is a stock that I'm definitely bullish on, and guys, it is down another 7% today. I'm going to show you how crazy cheap this stock is. If you go out and sell puts out into January 2023, I've gotten a lot of questions about this. But the reason why I do this is because I collect more premium. I reduce my risk. Guys, if you have not followed me with what I talk about and about Interactive Brokers is really a portfolio, or sorry, a brokerage that you want to use. And the reason why is because they have something called margin that you can trade up to half of your portfolio at a really low rate of 1.58%, and that's how you're going to really expand your trading power. And so if you don't have an active brokerage account, I would open one as soon as possible. Use my referral link below and you'll get up to $1,000 in stock. Guys, margin trading is the way you want to go right now. You can even borrow off of your portfolios if you need cash. And so I'm just going to leave it at that. So going back to Palantir right now, I'm going to sell more Palantir puts at the $12.50 mark. If it, that's pretty much at where the share price is. But guys, I'm collecting almost 30% on that. And for me to realize a profit, Palantir will have to fall another 25%. Okay, so Palantir, Roblox, let me see. I'm even taking a look at Tesla. Okay, so Tesla is down to $871. That is a big drop for Tesla. Guys, if you are bull Tesla, which I am, you can definitely consider selling puts. This would require a larger portfolio, but take a look at this, right? If you sell puts right now at the $800 mark, guys, you can collect $17,000 off of risking $62,000. So that's not too bad. That means Tesla will have to drop another 28% for you to start realizing a loss. At that point, you would just hold on to Tesla shares, and this would be a great trade in my opinion if you have a medium-sized portfolio. So we got Tesla, we have Roblox, we have Palantir. What else is there? There's also some value stocks like LPI. So Laredo Petroleum. So let's take a look at Laredo Petroleum. So LPI. Let's see. Right now, if you sell puts a year out, you're gonna make pretty good income as well. And if you open up at the $60 mark, which is kind of where the stock is, you're almost collecting, guys, almost 50%. Guys, that is insane, right? So LPI would have to fall another 30% for you to start realizing profit. Selling puts is really the way to go if you're more conservative. If you think the market is going to continue to sell off, it really doesn't matter, because at that point you're just going to get in at a cheaper price, and you're going to collect a premium for selling that put option. Okay, so LPI, Roblox, Google is definitely one that you want to consider trading. Google is hard to trade sell puts because it requires so much collateral, but what we can do is simply buy out shares. I do think Google's pretty cheap right now. Facebook, okay, is another one. Facebook, Microsoft, these are both companies that are really, really cheap right now for the amount of revenue they're going to be generating, for amount of just new technologies they have in their pipeline. Let's take a look at Facebook puts. I'm just curious how much you can collect in collateral. So let's see. Right now, if you open up the put at $295, you can collect about $4,000 off $25,000. So that's not as good of a deal as some of the other stocks, but it's still pretty good if you're bull Facebook. Let's take a look at Microsoft right now as well. Microsoft is definitely another company I want to continue to add more to my portfolio, and so we're gonna take a look. So look at this. So selling puts. Okay, so okay, so you can collect about $3,000 off of collateral of $25,000. So selling puts for Microsoft, Facebook probably isn't the best idea, but I would definitely consider adding shares. Okay, so these are companies that I would definitely own long term. And guys, I think one thing I would just want to close out with is, it's really in these times where you really want to consolidate, cut down all the bull crud that in your portfolio that you don't really care about, and just go with your highest conviction stocks, guys. Like just really concentrate your portfolio. This is where people get wealthy, can get very, very wealthy, or they can get very, very broke. Okay, so I would recommend not selling the stocks that you have the highest convictions for. Only sell the stocks that you don't really care about. And I would say focus really on the highest conviction stocks that you have. Just go all out, guys. If you feel that is a company that can own 3, 5, 10 years, then just go ahead and buy. Sell puts. If you think it's going to continue to drop, and you're going to do really, really well. Okay, guys, I hope this is helpful for you. If you like this kind of content, if you want to follow my videos, make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe below if you haven't already. Until next time, guys, I'll see you around in the next video.
With every star, we